Hello guys, good evening from Portugal. Hola, boa noite, boa noite. Today I have the new tickets. It's called Ruby. Okay, here we're looking for a star, to win 20. If we uncover this symbol, Ruby 7, Ganya set bases 7 times the price shown. If we uncover this symbol, Ruby, it's a win all. Ganya todos os 15 premios. I have ticket number 6 and 7. Okay? I'm cooking guys. So, cooking and gambling. Star? No. We're looking for 41, 24, 39, 11. 38, 33, 30. Ay! Winner guys! 41. It's winner. 29. Ay! 2 matches. 41. 25. 14. Ay! 3 matches guys! Wow! 24. 28. 31. 21. 36. 19. 34. 3 matches. 41. 41. What's the other one? 24. 3 matches. Can be 20 or 35. 20 or 35 guys. Wow. It's a good win. 5. 5. This is 20. Where's the other? 24. Okay, so this is 20 euro win guys. Wow. 20 euro win. 3 matches. Wow. Ticket number 6. Let's go to ticket number 7. Only 10 euro session guys. I won 20. Strella for 20 euro. No, it's a horseshoe. We're looking for 45, 40, 16, 39, 14, 34, 43, 38, 11, 44, 45, 23, 24, 26, 18, 33, no 33, 36, 39, 21, 30 y 41. So I think this is not a winner. 45, 40, 16, 39. So ticket number 7 is not a winner. Okay, the 5 euro ticket guys is very small nowadays. The Portugal lottery made it smaller. Try to save. Look at this. This is a 5 euro ticket. Like it's the same size like a true 2 euro. No, 3 euro ticket. Okay, so I spent 10 guys and I got 20. 5, 10, 10, 15 and 41, 20. So it's a good session guys. Double up of my money. Only bought 2. Just try the new tickets because normally new tickets you don't find good win, so I just want to try the new tickets. Okay, so I got 20, so double up my money. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.